Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. I want to explain why I took this trade, this euro dollar trade tonight. Posted it into our VIP group here. It was our setup, entry, stop loss levels, target, etc. And I placed a video down in here in the free trader zone. So this video is a follow-up on the previous video explaining exactly why I took this trade. The main reason was due to this bearish signal here, this dot, okay, the blue dot that you see here, that fired back in here. As we were trading into the London Open, then I was looking for the momentum to follow. Trades down, and as we trade into the London Open itself, see how it traded up? I'm usually looking for, if we see a dot, especially if we see this prior, okay, so we've got our red breakout, number 2 here. Let me just change this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll take out break 1 and we'll take out break 1 and we'll just leave break number 2. All right, so this was key. Okay, so what we're getting here is we're getting a bearish fake out, a shakeout, it trades back up into buy side liquidity here, and we get the red dot. That's why I'm expecting this then to trade south. As we approach the London Open, we see this green dot pushing up, and then that's the cue then for me to look for a short opportunity, especially when we see this trade back and failing here. The other thing that gives me the go ahead is on the 4 hour, we need to be trading in the cloud. So if we've been trading bullish out of the cloud here above the green, and then we trade into the cloud with obvious downward momentum, see this midline here, that the break under here retest is also another indication. So that break retest happened, well, right under here. That's the break retest, down, back. So I'm looking for a bearish opportunity. We've got this going on here as well, right? So when you trade into resistance like this, you're looking for the red signals here, especially that, and then you get the pullback. The red dot is generally the one that I'm looking for. It gets overextended to the upside and then we take it. This is turning out to be quite a nice outcome at the moment. We're almost down looking at target 1. We'll take profits fairly shortly. The other thing about this is if you look at my videos on our breakout strategy, so if it's a bearish opportunity, we want to be trading at least in the cloud, the break under this midline here, momentum to the downside, and on the 30-minute I'm looking for the trade under the cloud. So here's our cloud up here, we're trading under the cloud, okay, so we have the momentum. The multi-time frame indicator down below is giving us 4 out of 5 red. Okay, so the combo of the 4 hour in the cloud, the 30-minute under the cloud, this break and pullback and the red dot up here gives us the opportunity. So we have a look at, if we go into Discord, go into the breakout strategy here and watch these videos. Go through these videos, especially the last 3 are more advanced, and that will give you your trading plan, or it'll give you a trading plan. That's what I'm explaining in this video at the moment. Now, I've been taking a lot of different types of trades lately. In the last week or 2, I've been looking at counter trend trades and going for a bit of a mixed bag. It's a higher risk when you do that. If you stick to the plan, you get a much better win rate. All right, so if you stick to what I've just showed you and what you see in the breakout strategy videos, you definitely have an edge in the market. Now, let's just have a look at this because we want to take profits fairly soon. You want to mark up these levels. All right, so we've got, grab this guy, this red candle under here. All right, so that would be definitely a level that we need to be aware of. We'll just mark that bullish. We've got this price gap that we're currently trading through. So see this candle here? If we pick up the high of the candle on the left, so this is a price gap. Now we're coming into this range, filling the gap. The market's looking to rebalance 4H. So my target, I'll take profits around here, but ultimately my target 2 will be at the high of this bullish accumulation zone. So we have a couple of levels here that we could look at. I think we ended up around here somewhere. I'll be looking to pull my stop loss down. Now that we've gained a bit of ground with it, I'll move my stop loss to above this yellow, this daily level. Okay, this is reaching down into this price gap, and I want to take profits around between midway and the high of this price gap. So let's see how we go with this one. Okay guys, if you haven't already, jump on board with us. The link to Discord is in the description below, as is the link to our website if you want to go to the next level and join VIP. With that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, see you in the next one.